Hi friends, in this video I'm sharing my recipe for pandan sticky rice and tapioca paper. This delicious treat is hearty and makes a great breakfast or snack. Join me in this short video for the easy recipe. To make the tapioca paper, have water, tapioca starch, and baking powder. For the sweet mung bean paste, have peeled split mung bean, salt, coconut milk, water, and sugar. For the pandan sticky rice, have long grain glutinous rice, salt, water, and pandan paste. For the coconut topping, there are several options. Shred fresh coconut, use frozen young coconut, or use dried shredded coconut, the type that's used for baking. To make the peanut sesame topping, have roasted peanuts, toasted sesame seeds, sugar, and salt. In a small saucepan, add the water, tapioca starch, and baking powder. Combine together, dissolving the tapioca starch. The starch settles to the bottom of the pan very quickly. Use a spatula to scrape the bottom of the pan and mix everything well. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly so the starch doesn't settle. In about 5 to 6 minutes, the mixture should start clinging to the whisk. At this time, turn off the heat and start stirring quickly. This helps to smooth out the lumps as it starts to thicken. Continue stirring for 2 to 3 minutes as the mixture thickens. The mixture should be smooth and resemble loose cake batter. To make the tapioca paper, use a waffle cone maker. Use a medium-high heat setting. On mine, this is heat setting number 4. When the waffle maker is hot, add 1 heaping tablespoon batter into the center of the griddle and then close the lid. Cook for 4 minutes. Use a spatula to remove the tapioca paper. Transfer to a wire rack and let cool. Continue with these steps, making the tapioca paper until all the batter is used. Wash the mung bean by swirling in cold water and then pouring out the rinse water. Repeat this process 1 or 2 more times or until the water is mostly clear. Transfer the mung bean into a pan. Add the salt. In a measuring cup, combine the water and coconut milk. Pour the coconut milk mixture into the pan and combine with the mung bean. Level out the mung bean using a spatula. Wash the glutinous rice by swirling in cold water and then pouring out the rinse water. Again, repeat this process until the water is mostly clear. Transfer the rice into a pan. Add salt. Mix together the water and pandan paste. Combine well until the pandan paste is completely dissolved. Pour the liquid into the glutinous rice. Combine everything together. Again, level out the rice. Stack the pans with the mung bean on the bottom and the glutinous rice on the top. Cover the pan with a vented lid. Into the inner pot of the 8-quart Instant Pot, add 2 cups boiling water. Add the stacked pans into the inner pot. Cover with a lid and set the handle to sealing. Use the multigrain button, which sets to high pressure cook for 15 minutes. After the cook time is completed, allow for a 10-minute natural pressure release. Manually release the remaining pressure. Now remove the pans. Add sugar to the cooked mung bean. Use a paddle spoon to combine everything together and mash the mung bean. Gently stir the pandan sticky rice. If using frozen young coconut, rinse with cold water and then drain well. If using fresh coconut, crack open the coconut and then shred. Transfer the peanuts into a small food processor. Pulse for 5 seconds. Add the sesame seeds, sugar, and salt. Again, pulse together a couple more times. Here's how to bring everything together. Place a tapioca paper on a flat surface. Transfer some pandan sticky rice onto the paper. Take some sweet mung bean paste and spread it on half of the rice. Top with a generous amount of shredded coconut. Sprinkle with a peanut sesame topping. The warm sticky rice makes the tapioca paper pliable, and you should be able to fold it in half like this. And there you have it, a hearty treat that's perfect for breakfast or snack anytime. The tapioca paper is crispy. Warmed by the rice, it becomes soft and pliable. Another way to serve this is as a roll. This makes it easy to eat and super portable for meals on the go. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.